G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we're going to be making the Long Island iced tea. Let's get started. Alright, so the first step you're going to need to do is grab your highball glass. We're going to fill the glass up with some ice. Alright, grab a bottle of vodka. I'm just going to do 15 mils of vodka. 15 mils of rum. Mils of tequila. Then you take the lid off properly. Little hat. $15 mils of a gin. $15 mils of Contro. Probably a bit too much. There we go. And now 15 mils of lemon. Then we'll top it up with some full strength Coke. I'm just going to give that a quick little stir to mix it all in. And top up with some more ice. There we go. Garnish with a lemon wheel and a straw. Simple as that. There you have the Long Island iced tea. Enjoy.